What's going on, you guys? Mr. Allen here. In this video, we are going to use geometric constructions with our compass and straight edge to create a line that is perpendicular to a line through an existing point, right? Now, this point could have been anywhere on this line, and we can do this. The process is the same. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my compass, okay, uncap this bad boy, and I'm going to set it to really whatever size I want. I want it to fit on this line, though, okay? So wherever it's drawn, whatever its length might be, make sure you don't exceed that, okay? So I'm going to come in here. That looks pretty good right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scribe two arcs. So I'm going to put the pointy end on that existing point, make an arc here, and I'm going to also do the same right over here, keeping the width of this compass here the same. Okay, there we go. So what I've just done is I've created two new points. And if I have two new points, I can use those two new points. I'm going to take my compass. I'm going to loosen it up. I'm going to make it a little bit wider, okay? So I'm going to go beyond where point A is. So I got my pointy end on that new green arc. And now I've got the ability to describe more arcs that are a little bit bigger circle, okay? Remember, these arcs are all portions of circles, okay? So here we go. I got my point on that new point right there. And I'm going to scribe an arc above, somewhere up here in space, okay? And I want to kind of visualize where this perpendicular line is going to go through, right? So I'm going to make sure that my arc is big enough. Hopefully that one is. We'll see here. If I have to, I can always come back here with my pointy end and extend that arc a little bit. So I'm going to come over here with this one, put the pointy end on that green guy. Oh, I think I might just get it. I just got it. But for our video, I'm going to come back here, guys. I'm going to make that first arc a little bit longer. There we go. Now we can see it a little bit better. So the intersection of those two is a new point. And check this out. If I were to take my straight edge, right? If I were to be so bold as to take my straight edge, I'm going to go with an orange. It hasn't been shown up that great. I'll go with this neon one. Okay? If I take this thing and I line it up through point A and this new point that I've created through those two intersecting arcs, oh my goodness. Does that look like a right angle to you? It does look like a right angle to me. I now have a line that is perpendicular. I even pop some arrows on there and make it official, man. I'm going to call it line L. This is one of the few times that cursive is cool, man. Otherwise, I hate cursive, bro. All right. So that line is perpendicular to this existing line that we had right here. We scribed two arcs. We opened our compass up a little bit bigger. Scribed just two more arcs, a total of 4 arcs. Bingo, bango, dogs. We done. That's dope. See you dogs later.